Hey guys, today we're going to make healthy tortilla chips. Start by cutting up your wraps into chip-sized triangles. I used rye wraps, but any kind will work. I've even made these with homemade rotis. Then grease a baking tray with 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil and transfer your wraps to the tray. Spread the pieces around until they form a single layer, as this will ensure that all the chips cook at the same rate and become crispy. Season generously with some salt and paprika, then bake in the oven at 200 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes or until crispy. Serve with some guacamole and enjoy! Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes.